To make an extra 100K a year this year using profitable client acquisition. I'm talking specifically to insurance agents and financial advisors in this video. So let's get started. Here we have proof case number one, Gabriel. He was making about 5K a month, and then he added an extra 11K per month. So that's an extra 130K per year run rate, and the time frame for that transformation was 30 days. Here you see some of the wins that he shared in our community. Here we have Yan. So he just started as an agent, was making 0K per month, and he added 8.7 in his first month using this. So he's already on a 100K run rate for this year. And here we have some of the commissions that he made in the first 30 days. We can also look at Anthony. He was making 5 to 8K per month and added an extra $9,238,000 in his first 21 days of using this system. So he's already on an extra 110K per year run rate. Okay, so who is this for? This is for you if you're an insurance agent who wants to add an extra 100K per year income, but you're struggling to do it sustainably and you feel stuck. So this is for you. You don't have to struggle anymore, okay? You want an extra 10K per month, I get it. So let's show you how to get it also. You're probably good with clients. You probably know how to sell, but you just don't have enough good people to talk to. And that's why you failed so far. And it's totally normal. There's so much uncertainty in the market and so much competition in our industry that we need to adapt or we'll go instinct. Okay, so that's exactly why 90% of the agents fail in their first 2 years. So the core concept here of this strategy is that it's not really your fault. It's just that you've never learned otherwise. The truth is every new agent goes through the same path. First, they start with their warm market, then the referrals of that warm market, and eventually the business goes dry. So insurance agents need a profitable client acquisition system where people go to you instead of you going to them, and that's how you'll be able to scale. The only problem is no one knows how to do it. No one teaches this stuff. So insurance agents are not professional marketers. Actually, we are the only people solely focusing on solving this problem. And to give you a bit of background, in the last 2 years, we've worked over 600 clients from these companies right here that you might recognize. We're only working with insurance agents and financial advisors. We don't accept anyone outside of that industry. And we made over $1.2 million in the first year in the industry. Also built a team of over 10 people in that same first year. So this is my background. And the first step to add 100K to your income this year is to increase your volume. So you want to have people coming to you. Without enough people at the beginning of your system, you won't be able to create qualifications later down the line. So you want to have a lot of people at first because quality only exists in the masses. And when you qualify, volume goes down. So for that reason, it's extremely important to have enough volume from the start. For example, one of our clients, Event, used to have like a few meetings a week with his own prospecting. Now he's generated over 1,600 leads at $6 each in the last 4 months. So once you've got your volume dialed in, what you'll have to do is filter for quality. So we want to definitely remove the bottom of the barrel while keeping everyone who's got potential as a client for you. So this is the 4-step system we use for qualifications. Number one, of course, we're going to run ads that are niche down to a specific audience that we want to work with. And then after that, once they're interested, they catch the hook, then they're going to go to a questionnaire where they're going to answer 5 questions. No more, guys. So 5 questions. And after that, when they qualify, that's what you'll pay $5 to $10 for. And they will be redirected directly to your calendar so they can answer more questions. After you've captured their information in the first place, they answer more questions and then they book a call with you. Once they've booked a call, it's very important to give them proper expectations. So we'll actually film a video giving them the exact expectations that you want your clients to have when they meet you. And that, of course, will definitely increase the quality of the meetings that you're getting. So this is what you should aim for here. Get the leads for $5 to $10 a lead, but appointments for $50. So you want to make it easy to become a lead, but hard to take time out of your calendar. So 5 questions max to become a lead, plus however many questions and qualifications you need before they book a call. So after they've booked a call, we want to have a solid video giving them proper expectations about what you want from them and what they'll get from you on the call, okay? After that, we want to make sure we're extremely profitable, because now we've got solid volume, we've got solid quality. So how profitable is this, right? Before you scale, now that you have leads pouring in and appointments auto booking with proper qualifications and expectations, you need to make sure this thing is profitable so that you can sustain it and scale it long term. So if you've done everything correctly so far, you should get appointments for about $50 with a 70% show up rate and a 33% closing rate. Now, an average sales commission is about $1,500 with the type of targeting and audience and qualifications that we ask for in step 1 and 2. So it's extremely important that you go above these basic conversion numbers, or at least not under. This is really important for your profitability. So if you respect that or you go above it, let's do the math on the next slide on the profitability of that. So your cost per sale is going to be, if we reverse engineer it, 1 sale, 33% closing rate, 70% show up rate, and $50 per appointment. It's $216 per sale. So your return on investment with a $1,500 commission is 6.94 at a bare minimum. So therefore, for every dollar you put in, you make $7 back. Or every $1,000 you put in, you make $7,000 back. Every $10,000 you put in, you make $70,000 back, etc. And that's how we can get to an extra 100K very easily within a year. Now, last step after that, now you've got good volume, good quality, it's profitable, so we want to scale it as much as we can. And this process is extremely scalable and profitable because you're not prospecting for any clients and you're making 7x return on your investment. So your next issue is how much work can I get done and how many deals can I close? And this step is a bit more advanced, but the main idea here is to increase your time efficiency. So we're going to automate booked appointments from leads using AI. So we have an AI that we've built. It's called Noah. And that AI essentially go ahead in your CRM, books appointment with your leads, ask them a bunch of questions, answer objections, and qualifies them. Even goes as far as confirming the appointments with them for the appointment. So that all automated for you. Then you also want to create shortcuts and automations in your CRM so that your CRM can work harder for you. If you need to send documents over or add a certain note or have a certain thing pop up at a certain moment, all of that needs to be automated for you. We also need to implement a shorter and more efficient sales process because you're going to be doing a lot of appointments with a lot of high quality clients. You're going to close a lot of deals, and therefore you need to be extremely efficient in your sales process. So this is also something that we cover with our clients. Now let's look at a quick summary here. So if you increase the volume of leads, you increase the quality of your appointments, and you scale profitably, and you increase your time efficiency, you will without a doubt add 10K per month to your existing number and have more than 100K a year extra income this year, right? That's pretty logic right there. So option number 1, you can do this the hard way. You can go ahead and start learning about marketing on YouTube. You can test ads with your own money. So that would be step 1, getting the volume. That usually takes 1 or 2 months just to get an ad out that actually generates leads for $5 to $10. If you even go there, then step number 2, you're going to test some qualifications again with your own money. So how can I convert traffic, keeping quality, not reducing volume too much, basically playing with that balance? that typically takes 3 to 4 months minimum. And then you'll have to see if this is profitable. So it usually takes about 6 months to become profitable. At least that's what it took us. But I've met many clients who never became profitable doing it by themselves. The last thing, you'll need to increase time efficiency with automations and AI. If you do a lot of research on that, it's going to take about 2 to 3 months of your time to actually implement this. So we're looking at minimum a year to implement this the hard way. I mean, you can also do this the easy way, right? So you could work with me. We're going to set up your volume and qualifications, and we're going to run that and solve that for you within 24 hours. You'll have a bunch of qualified leads and appointments coming in. You're going to be profitable within 1 or 2 weeks. That's the average that we've seen working with 600 clients so far. And we're going to increase time and efficiency with automations and AI essentially from the start, but really you'll see the effects within the first 24 hours, okay? So again, who is this for? Insurance agents who want to add an extra 100K a year income, but are struggling to do it sustainably and currently feel stuck or just want to move along faster and get the results faster. So I have a few more proof cases here. And Elizabeth before was making 10K per month. Within 30 days, we added an extra 110K income yearly run rate. Okay, these are some of our wins. 6K commission, 4.3K commission. We also have Sed here. So he was also making 10K per month, and we added 7K per month to his business in the first 30 days. So here are some quick and dirty benefits of working with us. You'll be able to get quality inbound leads and appointments. You'll finally add an extra 10K per month to your current income, and you'll be able to forget about financial stress and strategies that don't work. If in the next 30 days you make 10K more per month and you do that sustainably, it's going to remove a lot of stress from your life. Trust me, I've been there and I don't have this issue anymore. So feel like you finally found what you were looking for, because this strategy actually works compared to probably most things that you've tried in the past. So it's really easy, guys. If you've made it this far and you feel that you are a fit for this, just go ahead and book a call with me. We'll find out how I can help. So you can go to fondacomedia.com and book a call, or just book a call through the link in the description of this video.